How to block websites on iPhone iOS 26. So first let's return back to the home screen and then tap on settings. Now in the settings page we scroll down and then tap on screen time. After that we need to set a screen time passcode. So if you have already set one, you can either change it or you can simply set a new screen time passcode. So in here I can change it and I can put in a new screen time passcode. You don't have to change it. If you already have one, you can just leave it as how it is. And here I will simply skip the recovery process. Now after that, you go into restrictions and tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now at the top here, turn on content and privacy restrictions. And here it will ask you to enter your screen time passcode, so do so. And then we go down and tap on App Store, Media, Web and Games. Now scroll down and tap on Web Content. By default, it is set to unrestricted. So from here you have two options: limit adult websites and only approve websites. So if you select limit adult websites, it basically block any adult websites. Here it will limit access to many adult websites automatically. You can add an exception, or you can add in website that is not blocking. So here you can tap on add website and enter the web address. Now if we go down to only approved website, this will allow access only to the websites below. So in here are a list of websites that you are allowed to browse. So basically if you tap on add website, and from here you can add in any website that you want to allow or block. So in here I can type in www.jungles.com and accept. So here you can add in websites that you want to allow. So only allow this approved website, and if any website that is not in this list, it will not be approved, and therefore you won't be able to visit those sites. And that's it. So if you want to allow any website, simply add it in here, otherwise it will simply be blocked. And that's it. So if I go in here and it said website not allow, so here I can tap on add website to allow this, and to do that I need to enter the screen time passcode, and that's it. So here I can type in itjungles.com because it is in the allow list, so I should be able to visit the website. And there it is. Thank you for watching this video.